Good morning, welcome back to JMS Exterior Cleaning. This is today's job, a very large block paved area, front drive, both sides of the property, left and right, and going round to the rear patio as well. It's just going to be a pressure clean, soft wash, and then re-sanded when it's nice and dry, followed by a matte finish sealant. As you can see, there's quite a lot of weeds where it's been cleaned before and not re-sanded, so I'll be fixing all them issues to prevent further weed growth. Lovely grey block paving this is, so this will come up a treat. Really nice coloured grey, two-tone grey, so it will come up looking like new again, especially with a sealer. Stay tuned for the results. Morning, welcome back to JMS Exterior Cleaning. We're just here this morning to finish off this block paving job. A little bit of sanding to finish, little bit of dampness in some areas, but a bit of condensation, but otherwise you can see it's come up really nice. All the moss and weeds have gone. As it should be, looking like new. Customers very pleased with it. Didn't expect a lot of the staining to come off, so the lichen and only a little bit of black spot. He didn't manage to get off with his machine. Obviously, with a different system, I've managed to get it all off as I expected to. So, just got to finish off a little bit of sanding and job's complete, ready for sealing. So, there we go. Stay tuned. Click subscribe if you're looking for any exterior cleaning. Patios, driveways, roofs, windows, gutters, soffits, fascias, then please get in contact. My name's Joe and my phone number is 07983 535345.